Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're having a look at a 2017 Kia Forte. That's a Forte 4, which is a sedan version. It's an EX Luxury. Has a sunroof, alloy wheels, signal repeaters in the mirrors, and fog lights, as well as a whole bunch of other features we're going to talk about. That big green sign in the upper right of the windshield says the car is qualified under the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program. Check out the features and benefits that come with that program. Going down the driver's side of the car, we see Sirius XM is on, which means that you get a 3-month trial of Sirius XM radio with the car. Absolutely free, no charge for that. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. That upper switch will cause the exterior mirrors to fold in. Driver's seat is a power memory seat with 2 positions. Rear cross traffic alert, heated steering wheel, traction control, lighting controls. Car only has 24,376 kilometers on it. Steering wheel has cruise and audio controls as well as various other functions for the car. Great big display showing the Sirius XM. Car has a backup camera. Climate control. Auxiliary and USB ports and 2 charge ports. And down here, heating for the front seats and drive mode switch. Up above us we have a sunroof. Those are leather seats. The driver's, of course, is powered. And I already mentioned the heating. Down on the floor you have the controls for the trunk and for the filler cap for the gas. In the back, heated leather seats in the rear. Plenty of room back here for comfortable driving. Really large trunk. You put suitcases back here, sports gear, any kind of other outdoor gear, groceries, whatever you need to carry. There's lots of space for it. Shot of that EX badge. So this little 2017 Kia Forte EX Luxury is available at West Coast Kia. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 Sundays and most holidays. Best way to make an informed decision about a car is to actually drive the car. I would invite you to come on down, bring the family, see how well a family fits in the car, see how well a car fits into your lifestyle. Again, that's West Coast Kia, just over the bridge in Maple Ridge.